Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Hardley. I'm a neurologist in Orlando. I'm 56 years old, and a couple of months ago I learned that I had a malignant melanoma on my left arm. I was told that it was quite thin and that this was a good prognostic indicator, that I wouldn't have to worry about it, that I should just get a chest x-ray and some blood tests and that I would be fine. However, a couple of months later, I had a recurrence of the melanoma that is referred to as a metastasis, meaning that it went from the original site to a distant site. And this completely changed the prognosis, such that I was told I had less than a 50% chance of living 5 years. The treatment that was recommended to me was to have a wide excision cutting away tissue around this original site and the second site, and then take out all the lymph nodes underneath my arm, and also take a drug called alpha interferon for a year, intravenously for a month, and then subcutaneously after that. The problem with that medication is that it only gives you a slight increase in longevity, and it makes you feel awful. It makes you vomit and have a fever and be very tired. Well, none of the side effects of the chemotherapy made any sense to me, because I was already tired, my immune system was already weak, and I was confident that the reason that I got the metastasis and did so poorly with such a thin cancer was a weakened immune system. I was working too hard, not getting enough sleep, stressed out by my job, which is a very intense hospital practice. So I knew that what I really needed was something that would strengthen my immune system and help me fight this cancer. And I knew that nothing in Western medicine took that approach, and that I would have to turn to Eastern medicine, where the emphasis is on strengthening the body's energy. And fortunately, my wife found an article in the newspaper about Master Wu. He teaches you exercises that you do on your own to strengthen your own energy and therefore your immune system. Plus, he also treats you by having you listen to music and also conferring his own energy to you and strengthening your immune system that way. He's given me a lot of advice about how to live my life differently and relax more and have a positive attitude. And after about 2 or 3 weeks of therapy, when I had the surgery, they found absolutely no cancer whatsoever, either in my primary site, my secondary site, or in the lymph nodes. So Master Wu told me he didn't think I needed the surgery, and he was right. The value of my going ahead and having it, though, is that I have proven to myself that he was right and that this treatment works. My tests do not show that I have any anywhere else, but 80% of people who present with a lymph node positive are felt to have microscopic metastases, and I'm continuing the therapy so that these microscopic metastases can be destroyed and I can be completely free of cancer. And now that I've proven to myself by having the surgery that the therapy works, I can be confident that it will work on the rest of my body. So I'm very pleased about that, and my life, I feel, has been turned around by this therapy. I came here frightened and depressed and feeling like my life was out of control, and as a result of meeting Master Wu and doing the exercises and getting his treatment, I feel that I've gotten control of my life back, and I feel much more confident that I'm going to beat this completely.